Okay, good morning. Sorry. Just want to show you this template. Okay, so I've opened up InDesign and I'm going to click on this. Okay, now it says I don't have permission. What the heck? All right. So I opened up the template, right? First things. It says it wants to find fonts. I just went ahead and substituted fonts. So click on substitute. But it's still missing one, but I don't really care. So here's the book. Now, yours may look, let me close this up a little bit. It may look make sure your pages link is open. So now go ahead and save this. So file, save as, and let's save this as, I'm going to make it a 2018 document. And I'm going to put first initial, last name, and then I would probably do GD 22, whatever the course code is, 210 underscore P process book, right? So I'm going to save that. That way I have this saved in the right format. Now, what I'm going to do is, in order to use a template, you have to work with the master's pages. That's why you need the pages window open. If it's not, you click up under window and you say pages. Now, what we have to do is you can't do anything here unless you have that master page covered. Selected. So let me open this up. So we're going to open this up so we can see. These are all the pages and they're all essentially locked. So if we click here, it won't let us do anything. What we have to do is we have to click here. So now I have it selected and now I can go ahead and edit this page, okay? Project name. So we're going to say me. I don't want cap locks. Me poster, okay? Process book, and then you go ahead and you change this to your name, right? So I'm not sure why. This is probably the font that's not... So what I would do is I'd go ahead and change this because it says I don't have it. So I'm going to go to Bauhaus. The reason why it's highlighted is it's because it doesn't acknowledge this font. So I'm going to just select all of this font and change it to something that my system has. Keep it simple, like Arial. Arial would be great, you know. Scroll up to the top. Arial, fine. Okay, so now it goes back to normal. So go ahead and you fill this in. All right, now it only gives us this first page, right? But now we have to access the other pages, you have to click on the master page, and there it is. So then you could go ahead, and this would be section, whatever we're working on the week. So the first one would have been like creative brief, and you then keep putting your name in the project, and then you would copy your creative brief in here. And the one thing about this is, see, there's columns in here, so we can so now we have access and we can sit here and Now you can copy and paste into here, okay? And what's nice is that if we let me get some text. So from Wikipedia, just so that we can see this. I just want a whole bunch of text. All right, let's do... I'm just going to get a whole bunch of text so I can copy it, so I can show you this. So I'm going to paste it in here, put my cursor in here. Now, see how it automatically goes to the other column. So you just paste it in, you highlight all of it, and then just paste it in. It's going to then thread essentially through here, okay? All right, so there's that. Now, images. It's the C template has the images. So what you want to do is you're going to, let's get rid of, would help. I got to double click it. Is it active? All right. So remove this image. Why is this text not going away? So it says remove this image frame and insert your own. Okay, so let's remove that image frame. Okay, so what we have to do is we then say delete. Ah, it's underneath. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to submit our own, and that's this one here. So we're going to then put a rectangular frame in here. This is an image frame, and you can line it up. And what we do is we can then take an image and we can then paste it into here. So what I'm going to do is what I would suggest is that you have all your images in a folder so that you have them all together so that we can just look at this. I'm going to pull an image, put it on my desktop so that we can look at it. All right, so let me just save image as. I'm going to throw it on my desktop just so that we can get to it. I'm going to say save. All right, now let's see what happens here. So what I need to do to work with this box, we have to place the image. So we have to select it. And what we do is we say file. No, I have to find place. Okay, place and link. Okay, so there it is, place and link. And now I want to go and find, no, that's not what I wanted. Edit. File, place. Sorry, I knew it was somewhere. File, place, and what we're going to do is desktop. Image. I'm going to open it. Now, see, it says it looks fine, but now what you have to do is we're going to put it there, but I'm going to right click on it, or I'm going to click here, and then it's going to say object, and then it's going to say fitting, and I want to fit frame to content. No, I want fit content to frame, fit content proportionally. That's really what I want, so that there's no problem. Okay, so that's how I put an image in here. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to delete all of this, all of these things. Now, I don't know why you can't do that with this. So let's go ahead and look. So there's our image. We select the frame. We say place under file, place, and I'm going to go back to my desktop, and I'm going to see if I can put that image in there. Open. There, yes. Now, what we do is after we do that, we say object fitting, and I want the fit content proportionally, okay? Just so that it's not skewed. So you can go ahead. You don't have to, so you just need to get these deleted, all right? Now, over here, you're going to then put your, over here, you're going to then write your process. You're going to go, okay, so get rid of a font that you don't have and make sure it's a font that's in your system. Arial is easy. And just say, this is thumbnails, okay? I worked, the reason why it's orange is because it's not seeing it as Arial. Now, what's it doing? Unless he's highlighted it. What the heck? Does he have a highlight on here? All right, I'm not really sure why it's highlighted, so I will have to go in there and check. But let's go ahead and double click on C. Yep, it's still showing highlighted. Not really sure what he did. So it looks like he added a highlighted color. What I would do is click on C again so that we can, on the C master page, let's get rid of all of that. All right, now let's see. There we go. So just, and then I would just change this. Should be about 12 point. Okay, these are my thumbnails. And then explain your direction, etc., etc. So I hope this video helps. I apologize. I will reach out to you. Don't just breathe. I have a procedure this afternoon, but I'll reach out to you this evening if possible, and we'll get you caught up. Okay? All right. I hope this video helps. Write down your questions. I will call you tonight. Okay? All right. Have a great night or a great day. Bye.